Hello, welcome to my channel. As you can see here, I'm in the basement and a little messy here, clothes everywhere. So, but today I'm going to show you how to clean the dryer duct. So I clean my dryer ducts every year just to prevent, fire hazard. Basically, if the lint build up inside here, it can cause fire hazard. And as you can see here, I have a Maytag dryer. And it's pretty old one, so almost 10 years old already, I believe. And so every dryer has a lint trapper right here. See, every load that you should remove the lint trapper and get rid of all this lint right here. It's can cause fire hazard, and so remove this every load and put it back in. And so the thing that you need to clean the duct, so you need a drill. Just need any drill will do. And then I need the electrical tape, or if you don't have it, use a duct tape. And then I bought this right here. They call this is a dryer vent cleaning brush. So I bought this from Amazon. It's about a couple years ago. So this is 13 feet, I believe. So 13 feet long, and it came in section like this right here. How many I see section like this, and so you can screw each section together like that, right there. And this is the brush. The brush go on, screw the brush in like that. Okay, that's it. And let's go outside, and we're gonna do it from the outside because I have a vent from the outside. So let's go do from the outside, and let me show you how to do this. It's so simple. All right, I'm outside right now in my house, and there's a window well right here. There's where the vent, dryer vent coming through right here. So there's a cover. First thing you need to do is just you need to remove this cover. All right, it's easy to do. So you see the vent that right there. So like I say, there's this is it depends on how long is your duct is. You can buy this from Amazon right here. This is around so it's called dryer vent cleaning brush. So it has a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 section. This is a 13 feet one. So 9 section of this. You can attach it together, just depending on how long you need. And there's a brush right here. So the first thing you need to do is just screw the brush into one of this section right here. Screw it in. And then screw in another section. Every section right here, make sure you put a little bit, put electrical tape, so this way prevent it from coming apart. Just in case that you put the drill in reverse, it comes apart, and then it will be bad, really hard to get it out from there. So let's just put a little electrical tape in there. And then the next thing is you need a drill. So just connect this end right here to the drill. All right. So when you're doing this, make sure that your drill going clockwise, not counterclockwise. If you do counterclockwise, it's gonna do a reverse, and then it's gonna be unscrewing whatever you screw here. It's gonna be unscrewed. It will be bad for you. This would get stuck in the duct right there, the vent, and you can't get it out. So make sure your drill is in the on a clockwise position, and just see the see this section right here, very flexible and bent. So basically it bends, you know, your bend is kind of not straight. This thing can bend, very flexible. That's why you can be able to fit it in there. All right, now just turn on your drill. All right, now connect another section, because you're gonna need more of this. Let's see. Do the same thing. Put a little bit of electrical tape over this connection right here, just in case, you know, to prevent it from coming apart. It would be bad to have it come apart in there, and then all right, just keep going. I'm gonna do add one more section, probably 5 feet at least to go down there. So let's just keep doing that, all right, until you get all the way to the bottom. I think I might need to add one more section. So you can see a little bit coming out right here. See that? A little bit coming out. Because all right, I'm gonna add another section. Yeah, I think we reached the bottom now. So, all right, I'm gonna go downstairs and turn on the dryer. Force some air out there. All right, the dryer's on. See how many, a lot of lengths are coming out now. Go back and forth. Look at that. Oh. So you can see it's pretty much clean now, because I clean this every year, so it shouldn't have a lot of lint in there. And that's what you should do every year. So you should clean this once a year, just to make sure your duct is pretty much clean, and you won't cause a harm. If the lint build up inside there, it can cause a fire hazard. So this is how I do it every year. Just this is how I clean my dryer duct. So I hope you learned something here. If you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.